Alrighty guys, it's me, Scooter JJ here, back with another video. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a DIY RESI. Let's get into it. What you guys need is these foam mats. Like, I've got quite a few of them, and that is what you make a RESI out of. And like, you can put a tarp or something over it to make it more like a RESI. And I'm just using it currently right like this. I'll set it out properly and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty, all set up here. So, boom, hit the ramp, onto the RESI. It's 4 mats wide, 2 high for the hole except there, where it's like the bit you roll off. And yeah, I'm gonna just lay out this laminate for my roll up, and that'll be it. Alrighty, now I've set this up. So now, roll up, hit the RESI. Let's get a few clips.